हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू कैंडी टॉक्स विद भरतवी। आज हम जारी रखेंगे बातों का सिलसिला विद दिनेश मोहन, हु इज़ अ सुपर मॉडल एंड एन एक्टर। पिछले एपिसोड में आपने सुना उनके स्ट्रगल भरे दिनों से लेके सक्सेसफुल होने तक का सफ़र, उनकी कहानी, उनकी ज़ुबानी। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो बातों का सिलसिला आगे बढ़ाते हैं।
जी।
आपने रिसेंटली एक एड फिल्म भी करी थी ऑन द लाइंस ऑफ
जी।
बाहुबली जोन, जिसमें आप एक आई
राइट।
थिंक मल्लू महाराजा बने थे। दैट्स क्वाइट एन इंटरेस्टिंग ad. So can you
Yes.
please tell us your experience about how you managed speaking in Malayalam, or how was it done? I mean, can you tell us your experience about that?
Yeah, there's a very interesting story behind it. I was shooting for Happy Sardar, and I
Hmm.
was staying in LP
Okay.
uh, in a hotel, and where I was approached by a particular oil company people that
Hmm.
would you act in our TV commercial. So I said
Okay.
yes, and I was booked, and all the advanced transactions were made and all. And
Okay.
so there was a break in the film, in the shooting of the Happy Sardar film, and I had to
Hmm.
go for a personal function to somewhere in the south. So, and when I had to go back for the shoot of this ad film, there was
Hmm.
a lot of heavy rainfall, and floods came, as you know how Kerala is and all that,
Yeah. Yeah.
and सारे flights और सब कुछ cancel होने लग गया. So
Okay.
those guys had already paid me a very heavy advance, and they were very worried, and it was their TV commercial and studio book था. बाकी
Okay.
सारे actors जो हैं वो पहुंच चुके थे कोची में, and I was stuck in Bangalore,
Uh-huh.
and there were no flights, and they said road
Okay.
से आ जाइए ये. So I said no, nothing doing, because the flood situation was very bad. But
Right.
then ultimately the situation eased, and
Hmm.
I landed up on the sets at night time, and
Okay.
सारी रात लग के वो हमने shoot किया.
Oh.
And
Okay.
that is my own voice in the TV commercial, because I spoke my dialogues in one take. It
Okay.
was done, and everybody was very happy that okay, I could speak.
So
But
do you know how to speak in Malayalam, or आपने वो सीखा
no,
वहाँ
no,
पे?
no, no, not. I just remembered the dialogues.
Okay.
As an actor, you
Yeah.
are told के emotions क्या हैं. So
Right.
you just have to convey that, and I did that. I've done a Tamil movie also, जिसमें मैंने अपने dialogues खुद बोले हैं. It is yet to be released.
Okay.
So कर लेता हूँ, किसी तरह से manage कर लेता हूँ.
That's fantastic. Okay. So
Yes.
any apart from this Tamil movie that you said, any other upcoming projects of yours, Hindi or non-Hindi?
Yeah. Yes, another Malayalam movie is ready, but वो release
Okay.
वाला सारा चक्कर पड़ गया
अच्छा.
इसकी वजह से. And then this Tamil movie is also ready, which is
Okay.
called Colors of Life, but वो अभी उसका जो promos वगैरह होने और वो सब होना बाकी है. Plus I
Okay.
was shooting for a Hindi film in Punjab, in
Hmm.
नवां शहर, जिसका एक बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं, जिसमें जो मैं नाम नहीं बता सकता.
हाँ जी, हाँ
It
जी.
is on the life of Bhagat Singh ji.
Okay.
And I play a British character in that who supported Bhagat Singh ji.
अच्छा.
So he was an exception. That guy supported. So वो उसका मैं रोल प्ले कर रहा हूँ. But ये
Okay.
सारा कोविड वाला सिचुएशन हो गया, तो 2 दिन के अंदर ही we had to leave that shoot,
Oh.
and we had to come back. But अब ये जैसे ही होगा,
Hmm.
so we'll take up that.
So
I'll
I
take
think,
up that project again.
so in how many months do you think that movie is supposed to be over? मतलब हमें
Yeah,
कब
movies are
कब
made.
देखने को मिलेगी वो?
Hopefully बहुत जल्दी. We had planned to shoot it at one go. मेरा जो part था, that was to be over within 8 days.
अच्छा.
Because
Okay.
movies आजकल पूरी movies it एक महीने के अंदर 40
Yeah.
days में, आजकल 45 days में बना देते हैं.
Hmm.
तो मेरा part 8 दिन में हो जाना था, but I guess now they'll have to reshoot the entire thing, because वो continuity की problem आ जाएगी उसमें.
Okay.
So और पता नहीं ये कब खुलेगी कोरोना की situation है.
Right.
When
Yeah, I know.
able to. Yeah.
It's been difficult for everyone actually.
Yeah, but our industry is very, very this thing, because it's a mixture of many industries. There is
Hmm.
hospitality, there is travel, and there is crowd involved in this.
Correct. Yeah.
So मुझे लगता है film industry is going to suffer sadly the most
Yeah,
in this situation. Yeah.
I know. So Dineshji, it is said that behind every successful man there is a woman, right? So
Yeah.
who is the main support behind your success?
My sister, of course.
Okay.
Without you could complete, without your letting you complete.
Okay.
My sister, absolutely my sister, she's 19 years my junior,
Okay.
but she treats me like a baby and they have supported me like anything. She
Mm-hmm.
and her husband, who's a dear friend, like a brother to me, they are my soulmates, they are my soul family. And now they have a little baby boy, 2.5 years. And I
Congratulations.
can, yeah, thank you so much. And he is our life. So
I'm sure
they are my
she must be proud of you now. She must be definitely
they
proud of
are
you.
they are very proud, but family is family. They are the
Yeah.
ones to ground me. And
Mm-hmm.
ज्यादा उड़ने नहीं देते हैं वो, मेरी
अच्छा.
पतंग काट के उसी टाइम ग्राउंड कर रहे हैं। मैं
Okay.
बोलता रहता हूँ कि यार देखो देखो यार देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में, they say we don't have time. But they are very proud and they are very
Okay.
happy.
Okay.
Yes.
That's really nice. So,
Yes.
आपकी फैमिली मेंबर्स में और कोई हैं, मतलब anybody else in your
Yes.
family, और
Yeah, my
उनका
mother is,
उनका
yeah.
नजरिया क्या है आप पे, ये जो जो आप काम
My
कर रहे
mother
हैं?
is there. My mother is there. She's in her 80s and she's very active and she's very fit and she's educated, cultured lady. And of course, when I suffered, mothers suffer the most
Yeah.
जब किसी बच्चे को तकलीफ होती है. And now she's the proudest. So she's always praying that I should get more success and I should be
Mhm.
more happy in life. And my brothers are there. They also support me. So I've got a very good family that way.
Very very nice, very
Yes.
nice. So आपकी लाइफ में सबसे ज्यादा अगर आप अ, सोचते हैं कि वो आपके करीब कौन है, ऐसे मतलब who is the closest and nearest and dearest to you in your life?
Both my sister and my brother-in-law.
Okay.
They are both, yeah. They are my family. My sister is my blood sister and family, but they are more like friends.
Mhm.
We travel together. We go for holidays because my life has been
Okay.
with them for a long, long time.
Okay.
So they are my pillars.
Understand.
Absolute.
So
जी.
we understand that, being in this industry, you must be having a very big, busy schedule. So, do
जी.
you get some spare time to spend with your family and friends? आप कैसे manage करते हैं? Because last year, as you said, you were quite busy, as you said.
Oh my God, like hell, like hell. I didn't have any time. महीने में मुश्किल से एक दिन I used to have free because I'm in that kind of hurry to be successful in life because I wasted a lot of time. So my focus is on work. अगर मुझे कोई family function भी होता है और कोई work offer आती है तो मैं family को समझा देता हूँ. And I always take up the work because once the work is settled, then I'll have all the time. So मेरी फैमिली भी यही चाहती थी कि आप बिजी रहो. जब शुरू में मैं घर में था, हाँ,
Right.
of course they were complaining now that you are too busy and you're never with us. And
Okay.
now everybody is happy that okay, we are all together now in this
तो
situation.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि वो उन्होंने आपके साथ आपके सेट पे आए हो कभी देखने के लिए
No,
या शूट?
no, I have tried a lot, but
Okay.
because both of them are working and they are in very senior positions in their companies, and
Okay.
you know how corporate life is,
Yeah.
and they are not even interested in show business. That is the thing, because lots of people have been offering me to shoot at my home, and
Okay.
I have to leave offers. Even now during this lockdown period, there were offers for shoots that I filmed from my own home, and of course there was payment involved and budget involved, but I've been refusing because they're very private people. They
Okay.
don't want to be exposed to the industry at all.
और अब तो
So,
ज्यादा
and
बिजी
I
हो गए
respect
होंगे
that.
because they have a small baby, so अब तो
Yeah,
और ज्यादा बिजी हो गए
small
होंगे.
baby also.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. They have managed all the fronts. Yes.
Okay. So दिनेश, एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगा. यू नो
जी.
आप अपनी लाइफ में ऑलरेडी काफी कुछ हासिल कर चुके हैं, इतने सक्सेसफुल हो चुके हैं. तो आपके दिल में ऐसी कोई ख्वाहिश जो आप अभी भी चाहते हैं कि काश वो पूरी हो जाए, ऐसा कभी कुछ दिल में ख्वाहिश कभी आई है?
वर्क वाइज यस, पर्सनली भी हैं. वर्क वाइज मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, मेरे दिल में एक ख्वाहिश है कि जब भी लोग याद करें मुझे, जब
हाँ
मैं
जी.
ना हूँ दुनिया में या जब भी, तो दे शुड रिमेम्बर विद अ स्माइल दैट हियर वाज अ पर्सन who could do something good with his life, and अच्छी memory में छोड़ के जाऊं. That is work wise my ambition, and personally is
Absolutely.
that my family should always be happy and well settled. That is, these two
Awesome.
things are,
Very
yeah.
nice. So what would be your message to the younger generation? Because as we know, आज की generation इतनी गैजेट फ्री हो गई है, एंड देखा जाए तो वी ऑल आर स्लेव्स आज की दुनिया में, विद दिस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड विद फास्ट लाइफ एंड एवरीथिंग, और आप ऐसी सिचुएशन से निकल के खुद आपने अपने आप को उभारा है with all that struggle, of yours.
Yes.
So what message would you like to give to this younger generation? Because I think it'll be very important for them to hear this and correlate and then try to learn something from you.
Yes, what I would like to suggest everybody is that don't be in a tearing hurry for anything in life, कि मुझे ये भी मिल जाए, मुझे वो भी मिल जाए, मुझे सब कुछ मिल जाए. Let everything happen gradually. You give your best shot, okay? You do your best. You put your best effort in, and then forget about it. Forget about it. Earlier when I used to be called for auditions, then I would be worried for a long time बाद में कि यार मुझे फोन नहीं आया, मुझे कोई रिवर्ट नहीं आया, मेरा हुआ या नहीं हुआ. Slowly with time, I realized कि देखो होना होगा तो the best of things are meant for you.
Okay.
और चिंता करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. So one has to, go with the current, go with the flow, and enjoy life at every moment. Life is a very rare commodity. It's a very rare thing. और आजकल तो ये बात बिल्कुल समझ में आ रही है क्योंकि सबके हाथों से वो निकलती हुई दिखाई दे रही है. तो take it easy, take it slowly, and try to live it to the fullest. I've got a tattoo also here which says live life to its
to the fullest. I know.
So that is my message. अगर मेरे केस में हो सकता है भाइयों तो सबके केस में हो सकता है. Why not? I'm not an exception at all.
No, very well said. Yes. By the way, even I'm full of tattoos. I have around 20 tattoos.
I know that. I've been tracking you too.
Seriously. Yes. मेरे लिए कोई खास संदेश, मेरे लिए कोई एडवाइस आपकी तरफ से?
Keep it rocking, keep it good, and do what you want to do. Stop bothering about age-related comments and what people say behind your backs.
I know.
That is the reason they are behind your back.
Yeah, absolutely.
They need to stay there only. Put them there.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Dinesh ji. Thank you so much. And आपसे आज बात करके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. Well, this brings us to the end of this, episode of Candid Talks with Bharat V. Thank you so much, Dinesh, for being with us on this show today.
You're most welcome. Thank you so much for having me.
And I'm sure, आज का ये episode सुन के listeners will definitely get inspired by your story and pursue their passion even more passionately.
Right.
And हम सब दुआ करते हैं कि आप ऐसे ही तरक्की करते रहें and लोगों को inspire करते रहें और इंशाल्लाह लोगों का प्यार आपको मिलता रहे. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much and all the very best to you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. तो ये थे दिनेश मोहन, an amazing and multi-talented personality with his true and inspirational story, which definitely teaches us at least 3 things. 1. How we can overcome challenges in life with determination. 2. That it's never too late to follow your passion. And 3. How to start living your life to the fullest. इससे एक बात तो साबित होती है कि जहाँ जा वहाँ रहा. If you are honest, truthful and believe in yourself, then no one can ever stop you to fulfill your dreams. वो कहते हैं ना, अगर किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. इसके साथ हम आज का सफर यहीं समाप्त करते हैं. बहुत जल्द मुलाकात होगी अगले शो पर एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, नए लोगों के साथ, नए अंदाज में on Candid Talks with Bharat V. Stay home, stay safe. This is Bharat Vatsa signing off for today. दुआओं में याद रखना. जय हिंद.